In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Facebook account without email or phone. If you've lost access to the email address or mobile number linked to your Facebook, don't worry. I'll walk you through Facebook's official recovery process from start to finish, using a method that relies on your username and a new email you can access. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Recover Your Facebook Account Without Email Address or Mobile Phone Number. Click the first result titled Recover Your Facebook Account if you can't access your email address or mobile phone number. This is part of the Facebook Help Center, and it lays out the approved steps for getting back in. From that page, follow the first suggestion and go to facebook.com/hacked. This page is designed to help when your account is compromised or you simply can't log in. Click My Account is Compromised. You'll be asked to enter the email or phone number associated with your account. Since you don't have access to those, type your Facebook username instead. If you don't remember your username, you can enter your full name or even the name of a friend you're connected with on Facebook to help locate your profile. Click Continue, select your account from the results, and then choose Recover. Next, you'll be guided to confirm your identity. Click Start. You'll be asked to provide a new login email. Enter an email address that's active right now, because Facebook will send a verification code to it. Click Get Code, then open your email inbox and look for the message from Facebook. Copy the code, return to the recovery page, paste it in, and click Confirm. After that, Facebook will ask you to upload a valid ID so they can verify it's really you. Click Upload ID, choose the type of ID you have, and click Next. Select the image of your ID, then click Upload and Submit. Make sure the photo is clear and all details are visible. Once submitted, you'll wait for an email from Facebook. This can take up to 48 hours, though it may arrive sooner. When the email arrives confirming your identity, open it and click Reset Password. Create a new strong password and click Reset. You'll then see a few options to secure your account. Click Get Started. You can skip the remaining steps and go straight to your newsfeed if you prefer. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.